Good morning students. Today's class is neuronal control of digestion and hormonal control of digestion. So come to the neuronal control. Here neuronal plexus, they are controlling the salivary, gastric, interstitial secretions. Saliva secretion, stomach, gastric secretion, small intestine, interstitial secretion. All these are controlled by the neuronal mechanism. So in this neuronal mechanism, either they are controlling locally or CNS. Locally or the CNS. So for example, if you are taken parasympathetic nervous system, increases the gastric secretions and motility. Whereas sympathetic decrease the gastric secretion and motility. So sympathetic and parasympathetic both are acting opposite to each other. And locally, that means enteric nervous system. Enteric means intestine. Enteric nervous system, here two plexus are present. Myenteric plexus, mycinar plexus. Myenteric plexus present in muscles. Mycinar plexus present in submucosa of alimentary canal. So myenteric plexus, they are controlling the movement of the alimentary canal. Mycinar plexus, they are controlling the secretions of the enzyme. They are controlling secretions of the enzyme. So like that, neuronal mechanism is controlling the both secretions as well as the motility of the alimentary canal. Here you want to remember these 2 points mainly. Myenteric plexus, mycinar. Myenteric present in muscle, regulate the movement. Mycinar is present in submucosa, acts on the glands and controlling the gland secretions. That is nothing but the secretion of enzymes. That is controlled by these mycinar plexus. Next, come to the hormonal mechanism. Different hormones are produced throughout the alimentary canal to controlling the secretion and movement. So mostly they are produced from submucosa of the duodenum except gastrin. So gastrin is produced from the G cells of the stomach. It regulates the secretion of HCl and gastric motility. So gastrin is produced from the G cells of the stomach and it regulates the secretion of HCl and gastric motility. Second one is cholecystokinin. CCK cells of submucosa of duodenum, they are producing these cholecystokinin. This cholecystokinin is activated by whenever food is containing lipids, fats is present, these cholecystokinin will be activated. Fats unte ee cholecystokinin anedi activate ayi release avutadi anamata. So this cholecystokinin is acting on the gallbladder, increase the release of the bile. So fats ni man emulsify chesedi bile kabatti it's act on the gallbladder and gallbladder is storage of bile, it releasing the bile which is helpful for the emulsification of the fats. So cholecystokinin ane hormone ni CCK cells submucosa duodenum nunchi release avutundi. And eppudu ivi ee CCK release chestayi when fats are present in the food lo fats unnappudu release chestayi. And their మీద act అవుతాయి, they are acting on the gallbladder and they are releasing the bile for the emulsification. Next, secretin. It is also releasing from S cells present in submucosa of duodenum. ఒక gastrin hormone tappa, first hormone tappa, remaining all are they are produced from the submucosa of the duodenum. So here it is acting on pancreas and gallbladder. Pancreas, it releasing the water and bicarbonates anamata. Alage it inhibits the gastric motility. If more gastric motility is present, proper digestion will not be takes place. That's why here inhibits the gastric motility. And gastric inhibitory peptide, it is also produced from the cells present in the submucosa of the duodenum. Submucosa of duodenum lo unna cells nunchi produce avutundi. It is also inhibit the movement, gastric secretion and motility of the gut movements ni, motility ni and secretions ni inhibit chestadi anamata. So 4 ఇవి 4 గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. గ్యాస్ట్రిన్ ఓన్లీ రిలీజింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టమక్ Remaining all are releasing from the submucosa of duodenum. CCK act on gallbladder. Secretin act on pancreas as well as the gallbladder. And GIP, gastric inhibitory peptide, is inhibiting the secretions of the gastric and motility. దీంతో పాటు ఎంటెరోకైనిన్ which is act on the enterokinase enzyme production, and villikinin, villi movements in regulate చేయడానికి. Like different hormones, they are produced in the intestine. All these are local hormones. That means they are producing at the intestine, acting at that site only. Not it is carried to the blood and transported to the other place. That's why we are calling it is a local hormones. So gastric hormones are the local hormones. There and then acting hormones anamata. So gastrin except all are produced from the submucosa of the duodenum. వీటితో పాటు villikinin, enterokinin is present. So these are neuronal and hormonal control of the digestion.